three critical components of healthcare that underserved communities traditionally lack are knowledge of healthcare, access to facilities like this, and health insurance. And Novant Health Michael Jordan Family Medical Clinic aim to reduce those barriers. I'm here with Nick Green, the clinic administrator. And now, Nick, tell me about the importance of this Michael Jordan Clinic and being here in this community.
Absolutely. The Michael Jordan clinics are very important to this community, as historically they do not provide access to primary care. We've serviced over 20,000 visits within a year and a half, and we've impounded over 3,000 patients, with half of those patients that are impounded coming from the very zip codes that the clinics are in. So what that's telling us is that we're building trust and we're expanding access to where it's needed the most.
Mm-hmm. And there's two locations, right?
Yeah, absolutely. There's one on 1423 Greenfield Street and the one here at 416 North 30th Street.
Okay. And we're going to speak to a nurse in a little bit about the screenings and the patients that she sees every single day. But, what is the main thing that people come here for?
The main thing, just to be seen by a doctor, to start somewhere. The health journey has to start with somewhere, and just getting through the doors is the biggest part for the patients. Sometimes we may not even talk about what health issues they're having, but we're looking at their social determinants of health and things that are prohibiting them from actually coming to the doctor.
And I feel like one of the biggest challenges is just people not having any knowledge about healthcare, but you guys have an open door here.
Absolutely. We do a lot of education. We're partnering with a lot of our community partners to provide education as well. We're looking at doing some big things in the spring to kind of help. And we're also having a community day here for our own community on April the 15th that we're partnering with the community.
Oh, that's amazing. And how does it feel in your job role to be here in the community and interacting with everyone in this neighborhood?
It is a great honor, honestly, just to be able to see the difference that we make every day, and to sit back and watch patients that come through the door that are hesitant to then now I can walk across the street at the store and they're speaking to me saying, appreciate you being here. So that has been a huge honor.
Wow, thank you so much for everything you do for this community and the clinic.
Absolutely.
And now we're going to go over to Jasmine, the nurse practitioner who sees these patients every single day, and tell us about the specific screenings that you have here.
Absolutely.
I'm here with Jasmine, a nurse practitioner here, and now a big focus of the Michael Jordan Family Clinic is preventive healthcare. So what are the certain screenings that you offer your patients?
That's a great question. Thank you for asking that. So some of the main preventative screenings that we offer primarily are mammograms. We like to screen patients for diabetes. We like to screen patients for cholesterol so that we can determine what their risk of developing cardiovascular heart disease is. One of the more important screenings that we do is also social determinants of health. So those are some of the non-physical factors that also play a really big part in patients' health. Some of those include screening for food insecurity. We're screening patients for financial difficulties, things such as transportation issues, mental health conditions, and just some of the other factors that affect their ability to be able to manage their care.
Now, what has been the response since opening from the community?
The response has been overwhelming. Everyone that comes in, they're just so happy and excited that we're here. I hear lots of patients say that they've waited months, to get an appointment, to find somewhere that accepted their insurance, for them to be able to come back in and get restarted on a path of wellness.
And how have you been feeling since being here? What has been, your reaction with these patients and working with them?
It's been exciting. It's been very rewarding to, just have a place for them to be able to come so that they know that their care is important, that they are welcomed here. I also enjoy being able to empower patients, just to help them see what things they can do, help them to understand the things that are within their control for them to be able to better their health as well.
Now tell me about your team and how you guys all work together with your patients.
Okay, so we have a very great team here at the Michael Jordan Clinic that consists of myself, also Dr. Shelby Stone King. We have lovely medical assistants who are here every day to welcome our patients with kindness, with warmth. We have an amazing referrals team, awesome clinic administrator, Nicholas Green, and then we have a front desk staff that's always available to assist patients with any of those extra needs that aren't discussed during their visit. So it's amazing to be a part of a team that is committed to serving patients in this community so that they know they're always welcome to come back so that we can continue to help them on their health journey.
Well, the community is lucky to have you all.
Thank you.